Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change date and time of your clicked photos of your iPhone. In Photos app, all photos having date and time. When you clicked this photo, all details will available here under info folder. You can see, swipe up and you can see your date and time will visible here. So if you want to change this date and time, then tap on adjust and choose a date from here. Original date and time you will see, adjust it, change date and time. For example, 17 August we will choose and go to time, tap on time and choose time. So easily you can change date and time details of your clicked photos under Photos app on your iPhone. Finally, tap on done and you can see your date and time of selected photos successfully changed and adjusted. Same process will be applied for any video of your iPhone. That's all.